Good afternoon. Welcome to day 363 at the EMA office, where we bring you the latest in those COVID numbers. Chairman Mark Kern is here with us. It seems like almost a year, and it will be in a couple of days. But we have Brian Whitaker with us today. Brian, you have the numbers.
Yes, sir, I do. So for St. Clair County totals, we've tested 296,177. That's an increase of 1,244 since yesterday. For positive test results, we're at 28,606. That's an increase of 73 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 10 up to their 90s. Our daily county positivity then would be 5.9%. For negative test results, we're at 267,571. We are happy to report no new additional COVID-related deaths today, so our countywide death total remains at 459 related to COVID-19. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 27,607. For state totals, they've tested 18,894,652. Positive test results have been 1,204,409, and that is an increase of 1,700 since yesterday. Unfortunately, the state did announce 53 new COVID-related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 20,863. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 33 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 3 of those patients are on ventilators. Regionally, we have 65 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and 5 of those patients are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities and outbreak status, we'll only announce the changes, and these are cumulative numbers since the beginning. St. Paul's Home has 177 cases and 31 deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case. Before I turn it over to Chairman Kern today, I want to talk about, I got to meet with a great family today, and I want to spend some time to thank them for their donation. They stopped by here to drop off donation of snacks that'll be used at our FEMA call center here, and also down at the fairgrounds for the National Guard and nurses. And that was the Ernst family of Lebanon and the Wondolowskis of Shiloh. Great families. We thank them for donating to help make sure all of the people working have that extra snack to get through the day that they need. So, Chairman, I'll turn it over to you now.
Team St. Clair is an amazing thing.
It's a great group, and every day we get to meet families like this, and it's amazing the outpouring of support from all the businesses that we've had. And this is probably the third family that's shown up. This morning, Grim and Gorley Florist showed up at the fairgrounds and bought bouquet of flowers for all the nurses that were working there. So they had a nice bouquet of flowers to take home. So it's just really good to see Team St. Clair coming together.
You know, this county has always had, people have always been committed and ready to come and help during times of trouble, and this is a perfect example of why this is the greatest county in the state of Illinois.
Yes, sir.
We love it. All right, let's move into the zip code report. In 62059, we go up 1 today to 38. 62203 up 2 to 610. 62204 is up 1 to 389. 62206 up 2 to 1276. 62207 up 1 to 579. 62208 up 1 to 1602. 62220 up 10 to 2048. 62221 up 3 to 2757. 62223 up 3 to 1726. 62226 up 10 to 3163. 62232 up 3 to 888. 62239 up 3 to 460. 62243 up 2 to 763. 62254 up 1 to 790. 62258 up 2 to 1029. 62260 up 4 to 791. 62264 up 2 to 353. 62269 up 9 to 3,214. And 62285 up 1 to 557. 73 new positives, 1244 tested, brings our daily county positivity down to 5.9% today. which because of yesterday's high number, our rolling average is still up to 5.6%. Regional positivity, though, is down to 3.2%. The region comprised of these counties, Bond County coming in at 5.5% or 0.5%, Clinton County at 0.7%, Madison County at 5.5%, Monroe at 5.5%, Randolph comes in at 0% today, St. Clair is at 5.2%, and Washington County at 2.3%. Hospitalizations have gone up a little bit, Herb. We got to keep track of these numbers, and we got to remember we're not through this yet. Many people have gotten vaccines, but not are vaccinated, but not enough that we can let down our guard. Now is not the time to take our foot off that accelerator pedal. Let's keep our foot on the gas. Let's wear these masks, wash your hands, watch the social distance, and especially be wary over this St. Patrick's Day holiday. It's supposed to be raining a lot of the weekend, which means people might be pushed indoors, and that's a worry.
It is. It's we can't let our foot up right now. We just can't. I was down at the site this afternoon, and I'm telling you, the National Guard, the people out there are getting the traffic in, raining. I can't say enough for them to stand out there and do that, because that's how important they know this is. The medical staff that is underneath the tunnels taking care of the people who are coming in there. It's been busy all day down there, so we appreciate each and every one of you having the patience. I know it just seems like it's a long time maybe sitting there, but it's well worth it, believe me. And on weather like this, comes a big downpour. Started off this morning with that intense lightning. Of course, we're going to take care of our staff, and safety first by all means. So we apologize for any of you who may have had to sit there a little bit longer today, but tonight when you go home, you can just realize that you've got that needle in your arm and you're one step closer to getting it done.
And every time there are backups like this, the team gets together and rethinks things and tries to figure out how to make sure that we get people through in the same fashion each day. And sometimes these days, things just happen. Rain happens, puddles happen, potholes happen, and so we try to fix all this. That's why this is an ongoing operation. This is not something that was just set and done. There's a group of people who work on this every day. They're dedicated, and they think about this not only here in the office, but when they go home at night, they dream about how to make the fairgrounds even a better place to get a vaccination. It's the number one site in the state of Illinois, as far as I'm concerned, certainly the most successful, and we're proud of that. We're going to make it even more successful and convenient for you.
Well, and the good thing about that is that the silver lining is it's going to be over with someday, and then we can all sit back and say, we probably should have done this, we probably should have done that. But the bottom line is we're getting it done just like we said we were going to when this started 363 days ago, and we're not going to give up until as many of you that have wanted to be vaccinated has got that. And you start off by doing that, as we tell you every day. Sign up on the interest page on our EMA site, or on the health department, or on the county website. That's the way you start it. Since yesterday, 1,329 new citizens have showed interest in getting the vaccine. So we want to make sure you get that needle in your arm. And the vaccine, as the chairman knows, is steadily coming in a lot better now than it was a couple of weeks ago. So that's the good thing. And as long as it continues to come in and the citizens want the shot, we're going to get it for you. So please just have patience with us, and we will be back here momentarily with Cindy to translate this into the Spanish communities. And then we'll be back tomorrow for day 364. Have a good evening.
I was born and raised in East St. Louis, St. Clair County, City of Champion. We band together like family on picket, where the Mary Brown Center in Lincoln Park was my playground. Just as we were together then, we must all band together now and work to combat COVID-19. As an Olympian, I understand the importance of teamwork and overcoming hardship. So I plead with you to do what I'm doing to fight this virus. Wash your hands, wear your mask, watch your social distance. It takes teamwork, and if we stick together, we will victoriously cross the finish line.
Buenas tardes, hoy tuvimos a Brian Whitaker que nos informó los nuevos casos del condado de St. Clair County, que son 296,177 personas examinadas, con un incremento de 1,244 nuevos exámenes de ayer, con 28,006 casos positivos, con 73 nuevos casos de ayer, hombres y mujeres entre la edad de 10 a 90 años, 267,571 casos negativos, con 459 muertes, y 27,607 personas han completado la cuarentena de 10 días requerida por el Departamento de Salud. Los números estatales son 18,894,652 personas examinadas, con 1,204,409 casos positivos, con un incremento de 1,700 nuevos casos de ayer, con 20,863 muertes, con un incremento de 53 nuevas muertes de ayer. Y en los hospitales de St. Clair County tenemos a 33 hospitalizados y 13 ventiladores. En la región tenemos a 65 hospitalizadas y 5 ventiladores. Y en las clínicas a plazo largo hubo cambios en St. Paul's Home con un nuevo caso. Y hoy Mark nos dio los códigos postales con casos positivos que son 62059, 38 casos con aumento de 1, 62203, 610 casos con aumento de 2, 62204, 389 casos con aumento de 1, 62206, 1,276 casos con aumento de 2, 62207, 579 casos con aumento de 1, 62208, 1,602 casos con aumento de 1, 62220, 2,048 casos con aumento de 10, 62221, 2,757 casos con aumento de 3, 62223, 1,726 casos con aumento de 3, 62226, 3,163 casos con aumento de 10, 62232, 888 casos con aumento de 3, 62239, 460 casos con aumento de 3, 62243, 763 casos con aumento de 2, 62254, 790 casos con aumento de 1, 62258, 1,029 casos con aumento de 2, 62260, 791 casos con aumento de 4, 62264, 353 casos con aumento de 2, 62269, 3,214 casos con aumento de 9 y 62285, 557 casos con aumento de 1. Y en la región 4 estamos al 3,2% y en el condado estamos al 5,9%. Y finalmente se les recomienda que todos sigan usando el cubrebocas. Muchas gracias.